Hello, hello, hello again. Please excuse my yucky fingers. There. I waited too long in between. Oh, then also my Tiffany set, yay. I waited too long in between fillings and then they started dropping off my nails. And now I'm waiting for them to grow out so they can be healthy again and start the process all over. But anyways, I am super amped. I went and picked up this package from my private mailbox, and I can't wait to open it. Okay, let me see if this is gonna, yeah. So let me open it this way. Okay, let me see, it might have some address info here. Yeah, it does. Take that out. Oh, I'm so excited. This will be, let me see, this will complement a pair of earrings I already have. So I have a pair of Givenchy earrings. Oh, let me just take them off. I'm wearing them today. Oh, these are so cute. And I've had these for a year or two now. I can't quite remember how long exactly, but I've had them for a minute. Take this stuff off. And I'm thinking this is gonna make a good picture, so I'm just gonna leave that on. Because this box that the item I purchased is in is cute. Looks like marble. Okay, here we go. So as I talk to y'all, so anyways, I bought these earrings a while back, a year or two ago. I love them. Worn them a few times and posted them on my Instagram. And I happened to be looking at the Real and saw some earrings, saw a necklace that perfectly complemented it. But the price it just wasn't, I couldn't justify the price. The value wasn't there for me for the price it was listed at. So after, I think maybe 2 or 3 months, someone purchased it. Or at least, you know, I no longer saw it on the Real website. But during those 2 months, I saw this on eBay. And when I checked out eBay, the price was higher. The original list price was higher, but they were listing it at 20% off. So at 20% off the list price, it was a little less than what I saw it on the Real, but it was still too high for me. So I said, okay, let's see if it ever goes down. So it's been about 5 or 6 months I've seen it on eBay, and besides being 20% off, the seller then offered an additional 15% off. And I said, you know what, this has been up here for quite a while. Let me go ahead and just make an offer. And, you know, the worst they can say is no, you know? And I'm telling you, a closed mouth don't get fed. I made my offer and they accepted it immediately. And it was for a price that I was comfortable with. It wasn't a low ball, but it definitely wasn't the price that they listed. It was about, honestly, it was about half the price of the original list price, but it was about $150 less than the discounted price. So that's what I did, and they accepted it. And I'm like, oh my gosh. So I am very excited. This is just, for me, this is helping me to say, you know what? Just because you want it doesn't mean you absolutely need it. And if you do really want it, you have to set your limits, set your price. And I did, and I was eventually able to find something. I'm so excited. So let's see what this looks like. Please match. That's the whole reason I went through all this. Okay. Let me see here. Do I have this upside down? Hope not. Oh, let me go back. This is for YouTube, and it's also for Instagram. Then I open it. Okay, please look. Okay. Open this up. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, calm down. Make sure this is gonna work out. I don't want to take this bad boy off. Okay, here we go. It is beautiful. Oh my gosh, and it matches. I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh my goodness. It does. Look, it matches. Look. It coordinates perfectly. I'm so excited. I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh my goodness. So this is Givenchy 40th anniversary charms necklace. And this is, look, this is even better. I have a pair of Givenchy earrings with this on it too. Oh my goodness, this is perfect. Absolutely perfect. So, as you can see, it is meant to be worn this way. You can see, yeah, hot flashes city, so I have a fan in my office. Even though it's perfectly, you know, they keep it at a nice AC level, but not for the days I have hot flashes. So anyways, this is double. See, doubles around. Looks that way. And this is the necklace. Oh, this is so beyond perfect. And so I give you guys a close up. Let's see here. And it's vintage, so having a little bit of wear here and there is to be expected. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous necklace. I'm so happy right now. Oh, let me take it out. Let me just put it out on the ground. On the ground. I mean, on the desk. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited right now. I can't even talk about it. Ah! I'm at work and I'm prone to being loud, so. Oops. I just ran over on my lunch break and I am so excited. I can't even tell you. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to style this. Oh, I'll be wearing this to work tomorrow. Shoot. I'll put this together. I love it. I absolutely love it. This was definitely worth what I paid. Definitely worth what I paid. It's within my budget. Not that it maybe wasn't worth more, but it had been on the site a while and I hadn't found it other places. I found it one other place, like I said, the Real Real, but that sold after a couple months and it was for a price that was too much for me. So anyways, here it is. One last look-see. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. And it's the lighting of my phone too. It really is the same gold. I know it looks like, let me use my eyes. It's somewhat, slightly off. But I think that's just because, you know, this is, I think they're both vintage pieces, but maybe they came out in separate years, who knows. But either way, I cannot wait to wear this necklace. This is everything. So those are the earrings I already had, and this is the coordinating necklace. I'm very happy. Alrighty, y'all. Until next time, I'm really into Givenchy and YSL right now. Chanel too, but I have a lot of Chanel. I'm really happy with the collection the way it is now. But I'm gonna see. I might be adding more to it. But definitely YSL Givenchy. That's my jam right now. All right, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.